All right, YouTube, what is up? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how we consistently book over 100 meetings a week for our GoHighLevel SaaS and how we close between 20 to 25% of all of those leads every week, all right? So let me just show you. So this is this week. Well, this is actually today. I'm filming this on a Thursday. We have 109 leads registered. We run a weekly webinar, so I'll get into that. But let me look at last week. Okay, we had 131 leads registered, and I'll break down exactly how much we spent to get all of these leads on the calendar and how much we collected to kind of show you guys a little behind the scenes on how that works. But in this video, I want to more get into like how this kind of works, like how the numbers play out, and show you guys that even if you're only at like a few $1,000s a month with your GoHighLevel SaaS right now, you can start to scale it up like pretty quick. So I'll show you guys how much it typically costs to generate a lead to either book yourself a one-to-one demo sales call or to get people signed up for a webinar, because that is kind of what we've done over the past couple months. We started with one-to-one calls to kind of stack up that first few thousand in recurring revenue, and then we switched over to webinars. You're gonna max out at like how many calls that you can personally take a week, or even if you have like a closer taking them. So I think the webinar is definitely a better move when you are looking to operate at scale here. Like when you have, you know, if you want to bring on 15 to 20 users a week, it's probably going to be much easier to run a webinar, right? I guess we should start with the one real downside to running a SaaS over like a high ticket agency is that you need volume to actually start making like a decent amount of money, right? So it honestly, like, it is tough to do everything like just cold outreach to try to stack up that user base if you're trying to grow it quickly, you know, to get to your first like $0 to $3,000 a month, so you kind of have some cash flow. You probably don't want to spend any money on ads or really any money on anything. Like you probably will just go out, and there's no like secret to it. Like you're either going to be cold calling people, trying to book appointments for yourself. You're going to be cold emailing, trying to get appointments. Like that's just how it is. But once you kind of get to a point, and this video I kind of want to show you, like you really don't need that much money to start running ads and to start like consistently bringing in new business for yourself. But that like is the one downside, right? Now, if you want to make the magic 10K a month, for only charging say $200 a month for your software and your service, and you're going to need 50 active users to hit that mark. So to get 50 active users, like it's going to be tough if you're doing that 100% organically. But once you kind of start to go down the paid ads route, which is what we're obviously doing here to be able to book 100 plus leads a week, that is kind of just what you have to do. But I want to show you guys like how the numbers look and how it's not like as crazy as you would think. If you've never run ads before, you know, it might be, you're probably thinking like, all right, like spending $3,000 a month on ads is freaking crazy, right? But let me just show you guys like how the numbers typically play out. It's probably gonna cost you guys like 20 to 25 bucks to book either a one-to-one demo or to get someone registered for a webinar here. So I'll show you guys our numbers just so you can kind of have something as a benchmark. So let's do for this week. This week was honestly kind of high compared to last week, but you know, it's still fine, especially if you're doing one-to-ones at like if you're charging $297. We'll get into that in kind of a bit here. But let's see for this week for our webinar. So we go from Thursday to Wednesday because we do webinars every Thursday. So we spent $2,700, right, in last week. When you see that number, you might think like, oh, that's wild to be spending, you know, $2,000 to $3,000 a week on ads. Like you do that, like we do that for 4 weeks. All right, we just spent $12,000 in a month, right? But like the way that you kind of think about this whole process is that ideally, whatever you spend in a week, you're just recouping that ad spend basically right away, because there's not much of a sales cycle with this, especially if you're doing a one-to-one demo. Like your close rate is probably going to be 20 to 30% on that call. It could even be higher. Like when we were doing one-to-one demos, we'd have weeks where it would be like 35% close rate, right? So you're gonna like you're not even gonna cover your ad spend, you're gonna make money on the front end. Let me show you guys how many appointments we had booked so we can get that average lead cost for this week. So where am I looking? All right, 27 to 5. Okay, so let's grab the calculator here. All right, so if we spent $2,700 divided by 116 for the week. So our appointment cost was $23 this week. So kind of high, but you know, we can work with it. But if we look at last week we had a really, that was in my last video, I kind of broke this down. That was one of our best weeks ever. So on the 20th to the 26th, yeah, that's what we had. We spent $2,500, but we brought in, this was one we actually made a good amount on the webinar here. We actually just got a follow-up to yesterday. So it's even more than we had when I did that, the video. But let's see. So we had spent $2,500 divided by 124. Okay, so $20 was our average lead cost last week. But off that webinar last week, I don't know what we're gonna do this week. Hopefully it's similar. But we pulled like $3,400, I think it was. So we actually even made money on the webinar. That allows us to kind of go in and, like, you know, keep the ad spend. I think we're running $400 a day. But, you know, you guys don't have to start with that type of volume. Like what we did and what I recommend doing if you're kind of just starting out, like just getting ads running for the first time here. Here's just like a simple ad calculator. We'll use this to kind of break down the example here. So let's use $297 a month. Okay, that's going to be your ticket price if you're doing one-to-one calls. We're doing $297 a month. You want to have like those first couple clients that you bring on, like those are very important clients. Like you want to focus on retaining those so that you have money to keep investing into the business here. But if you're charging $297 and you're doing like, you're taking all the sales calls yourself, so you don't have to pay a commission or anything on like that, you really don't need that much money to start like bringing in new leads. Like if you're spending say $50 a day, which again, like I know it might seem like to some of you might be like $50 a day, that's nothing, whatever. But like if you're just kind of getting started, it definitely, it's gonna seem like a lot, right? You're spending a few $1,000s a month, but you really do have to look at it on a week-to-week basis here. And like the weeks seem very long. You break out all the numbers on just like a weekly basis, right? Compared to a month. But say you're spending $50 a day, your average appointment cost is $20. Okay, you have 18 people registered. Say with a 50, this is even on the low end. We have a 50% show rate on a webinar typically, but we're only doing it once a week. So people might book a week out and just forget about it or just not care like 7 days later. So your show rate might even be higher than this. But, you know, with a 50% show rate, okay, you're talking to 9 people a week for you, 9 people, right? Let's say you close 20%. Again, this could be and should be much higher if you're charging like $200 or $300 a month for your service here. So let's just say, but I want to use lower numbers, not to like gas it up and be like, look at how much, you know, you guys can do if you're hitting these super high hot numbers here. So 20%, okay, you're closing around 2 people. So that puts your spend per week, you're spending $350 a week, collecting $520 a week. So you might be thinking like, you know, I'm only netting $170, right? For taking, it's probably 9 hours worth of work because you're going to take 9 sales calls yourself. Like $170, you're probably like, it's not even worth it. Like it's not even that much. But what you do here is you break the ad spend down. You look at that on a weekly basis, but every single week, you know, when you're collecting, say $520, you're going to be adding over $2,000 in recurring revenue just at this level. Like this isn't even anything crazy at $50 a day. Now let's say your close rate goes up to 0.3. Now you're closing 3 a week. You're spending $350, collecting $780, and you're adding $3,000 a month in recurring revenue. Like this is the biggest number that you want to pay attention to. If you're even, or if you're in the green on the week, that is like awesome, right? Like if you can make money on the front end in month 1 with this type of model, like that's great. Ideally, you just want to cover your spend. You want to break even, you want to work for free in that first month, and then month 2 hits, and then you get a ton of money rebilling, and that's basically all profit, right? Now, let's say you bump up to $100 a day, right? This is kind of where, like, if you're just doing the calls yourself, and this is why we switched over to webinars. If you're running $100 a day, okay, say your appointment cost, and you can play, like if your appointment cost goes up to $30, like it still makes sense with these numbers, right? Like you can kind of play around with the numbers and go off of what you're actually seeing, but this is kind of just like a benchmark to use. Let's say $25 appointments, right? We'll put it kind of right in the middle there. If you're spending $100 a day, that's going to give you, okay, 28 registered. You're going to talk to 14 people. At a 30% close rate, you're going to close 4 a week. So that nets you $547 on the week, and you add nearly $5,000 in recurring revenue. So like, you know, you do this for 2 months, okay, you're scaling up like pretty quick, right? But from here, you know, it's tough to scale further with just yourself. Like if you start spending $150 a day where you're spending, you know, a G a week, this is actually probably where you're going to cap out at these numbers. Like, you know, if you're booking 40 appointments a week, like you're just not going to have like more room on your calendar, right? Like you can't like double book yourself because you don't know who's going to show and who won't. So at this point, this is where you're kind of going to have to be like, all right, I either need to hire another closer or I need to switch to a webinar, that's what we do. That's how we can load up. Right now, we're spending like $400 a day. Let's put our average lead cost at like 23. Now we're not well, actually last week we saw close to a 30% or a 30% close rate. But let's say you close just 20%, right? Your close rate is going to be lower. We're also charging $199 here. Because you're not gonna be able to charge as much on a webinar. Your close rate is gonna drop a bit just because it's harder to get people to give you more money on a webinar where it's not like a one-to-one, like you can't really handle all their questions and address all their questions like right then and there. Okay, so this is what kind of we project. Okay, so what we need here, we need a 25% close rate to break even here. But you can see how quickly this starts to stack up. Like, you know, we can add $12,000 a month in recurring revenue with these numbers. So now, like our biggest thing, our close rate has been good. You know, last week our close rate was like 27%, which was money, exactly where we need it to be, at like a $20 appointment cost too. So this is honestly kind of what our numbers looked like last week. But like, I just want to kind of show you guys more. Like, let's change this back to 297. Like if you're doing 297, you're running one-to-one sales calls, you probably will have over a 20% conversion rate. Okay. But this is, I just wanted to kind of show you guys, like you really don't need, like it seems like a lot of money when people are like, oh, just like start running ads. Like it really is the only way to consistently bring in new business. But if you just start at $50 a day, you know, it absolutely crushes just like spending all day on the phones cold calling or cold emailing. So even if you're making a couple $1,000 a month, like it does make sense, I think, to start running ads, because it's not going to cost you that much to get an appointment. We don't qualify at all on the appointments. Like we kind of just qualify the people through our ads. So like our target audience are people who have used high ticket marketing agencies in the past. They've used lead providers. They've, you know, been relying on cold calling and referrals for years, and they know they need a way to consistently generate leads. So we're looking for people who kind of like, they know they need to advertise. They just don't want to waste money on these high ticket agencies, right? So that's kind of like how we structure our ads right off the bat. So they see that, and you know, this isn't going to be a complete beginner who's like, oh, you know, I don't need to advertise, right? Like they're just looking for a new way to advertise. So when you provide them with a solution that is only $297 a month, plus, you know, whatever they want to do in ad spend, like they get everything that they would get with a marketing agency for $297 a month, like you're going to see a pretty high close rate there. And this is how the numbers break out. So, you know, you guys can kind of play around with that. But again, I just wanted to show you guys that like this is how we go about doing it. You know, that's kind of how it looks. Like if you're starting with, you know, you're taking the calls yourself and one-to-one demos, you're charging say $297 a month. And like the numbers, you have a good amount of wiggle room if your appointment cost even jacks up towards like 30, right? So that is a quick little video breaking that down. Hope you guys got some value out of that. If you did, make sure to like the video for me, subscribe to the channel, check out all the other videos I've got. I've been documenting kind of this process of us building out this new SaaS. So I'm going to start posting more like tutorial style videos kind of like this. But yeah, hopefully you guys like that. You can join our free SaaS School community on School if you guys want to. I'll throw it in the description below. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.